when people tee off and they're coming down with their swing, we're going to blow these air horns. Oh. No, is there another one? Here, you lost your club. Look.
Didn't I tell you we're going to kick your ass for that?
What? I'm sorry, I got bursitis.
You got bursitis?
Yeah.
So that means you got to play with a horn.
It helps.
I'll give you something to play with.